from the windy city, Chicago, a place of deep dish cravings, skyline dreams, and endless city energy. Come along as we explore some of our favorite spots from this amazing trip. So now we are going to see the Beam, the famous touristy spot of Chicago. This is one of the most touristy place here. It's iconic, shiny, and kind of fun watching everyone try to get that one perfect reflection selfie here. Such cute vintage photo. And the good part is there is no fixed price for this. You can give whatever you want. Such a cute photo. So currently I am near the riverside of the Chicago, for which Chicago is very famous, and you guys have to see the view here. It is so pretty. Next up, we headed to Navy Pier. So this place was a perfect mix of lake views, rides, and that chill Chicago breeze. Then we went to the world's largest Starbucks Reserve Roastery here in Chicago. So this place takes over 35,000 square feet across 5 floors. As you can see, this place is full of aesthetics. They do have an Italian bakery, a coffee bar at the top floor, and also you get some unique flavored coffees here, which are roasted right in front of you. Right after that, we went to Harry Potter's store. If you are a Potterhead, you need to visit this place. This store has everything for you. They have wands, robes, butterbeer, house merchandise, and many more things. Then we went up to the 360 Skydeck to see the beautiful skyline of Chicago. This view here is absolutely stunning. Next, we went to the Giordano's to try their famous Chicago-style deep dish pizza. The pizza here is so fulfilling and delicious that I would highly recommend you guys to try this once when you're in Chicago. अभी हम जा रहे हैं कुछ यहाँ पर एक फेस्ट है which is called the Taste of Chicago. So ये 3 दिन का कुछ तो फेस्ट है. So let's go and explore this. Zoo, Lincoln Zoo, which is absolutely free here. So the best part about this park is it's free of cost for the visitors as it runs on the donation basis. Such a fun, relaxed way to spend the afternoon here. Definitely worth it. Currently we are now on the architecture 4th floor, so we are going to see the Chicago architecture buildings via boat. So let's go.
We saw there was a whole lower deck to the vessel.
They are for emergencies only.
On our left side, as we look forward, starting with basically straight ahead, as you come under the bridge, you'll see it a lot better. A two-part gray building. In the foreground, we see the short side of this gray building, those triangular metal structures on top, and then on the tall side, we see the clock and the logo. I want our focus on the short side of this gray building. Definitely one of the best skylines in the world, and it's certainly the best one in America.
As you can see, you get the best views of Chicago's building right from the river. If there is one thing you want to do in Chicago, then you have to do this boat tour ride. Actually, we were supposed to go to museum, but we just cancelled it because it was way too long, and just randomly, impromptu, we have come here to some, I don't know what it is, but some fest is going on where everybody are on the streets enjoying, having food and drinks and dancing, playing drums and many more activities. It is the best impromptu plan that we have done in the Chicago. Just look at that. The weather is good. from Chicago, a city of lights, laughs, and windy adventures. Thanks for coming along, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on the next journey.